Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Nutribullet Go is probably one of the most convenient and versatile personal blenders on the market, offering a powerful blending experience without the hassle of cords, making it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles, quick smoothies, and even light meal prep wherever you are. Number 5. Nutribullet NBR0601WM Blender. Embark on a journey to a healthier lifestyle with the original Nutribullet. It provides everything you need to begin making positive changes. Quickly transform fruits, vegetables, and more into delicious, nutritious smoothies. It's the simple and tasty way to deliver essential nutrients to your body. With 600 watts of power, it effortlessly turns even tough ingredients like spinach into perfectly smooth, sippable nutrition. Its user-friendly design makes it a daily essential. Just push, twist, and blend. It's incredibly easy to use. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse the blades and place the cups in the dishwasher for a spotless finish without the fuss. This comprehensive package includes the motor base, extractor blade, cup, to-go lid, and recipe book for convenient and portable blending. What we like? If you're looking for a straightforward way to kickstart a healthier lifestyle, this is your go-to. Its powerful motor handles fruits and veggies with ease, delivering smooth nutrition quickly. For those who value simplicity and want a reliable blender for daily smoothies without any fuss, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Nutribullet Go cordless blender is incredibly convenient for on-the-go use, fitting easily into my gym bag. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel or small kitchens, and it's surprisingly powerful for its size. Cleaning is a breeze. The blade detaches easily and can be rinsed under the tap, saving a lot of time and effort. Number 4. Nutribullet Blender Combo 1200 Watt. Take your nutrition extraction to the next level with the power, precision, and versatility of this blender. It effortlessly switches between single-serving cups and a large-capacity pitcher. With 1,200 watts of power, you can create an endless array of smoothies, soups, sauces, nut butters, and more. Its extraction technology unlocks maximum nutrition. You have options. Extract multiple servings in the large blender pitcher, or go solo with convenient single-serving cups. It's designed to cover all your blending needs. Cleaning is a dream. The pitcher and cups are made from super durable, high-performance plastic and are completely dishwasher-safe for your convenience. Our specially designed blades, cups, and pitcher work together for optimal nutrient extraction. It transforms ordinary food into superfood, ensuring you get the most out of every ingredient. This powerful blender comes with everything you need: a 1200W motor base, a large pitcher, multiple cups, to-go lids, an extractor blade, and a recipe book to get you started. What we like? For those who want to elevate their blending game, this model offers exceptional power and versatility. It's ideal for making everything from single smoothies to larger batches of soups or nut butters. If you enjoy experimenting in the kitchen and need a robust machine that can handle a wide range of recipes, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very convenient to use and carry around. The battery life is good and it is easy to clean. It is powerful enough to blend fruits and vegetables smoothly. Number 3. Turelar Immersion Blender 1100W. Experience incredibly smooth purees and chopped ingredients in just seconds. Its powerful motor delivers significantly stronger performance, making meal prep a breeze. Effortlessly control your blending with an intuitive trigger design. Simply adjust the speed with one touch, reducing splattering and giving you perfect results every time. Blend with confidence thanks to its unique blade guard. It minimizes suction and prevents scratches on your pots and pans, keeping your kitchen clean and your cookware safe. Enjoy a comfortable and non-slip grip during extended use. Its stylish design makes it a perfect gift for any home cook or food enthusiast. Switch between attachments with a single click for versatile use and quick cleaning. It's designed for long-lasting durability and safety, even with hot ingredients. Its reinforced blades effortlessly handle tough ingredients. Plus, key components are BPA-free, ensuring safe and healthy meals for you and your family. What we like? If you need a versatile tool for various kitchen tasks beyond just smoothies, consider this Immersion blender. Its powerful motor and variable speed control make it perfect for pureeing soups directly in the pot, making sauces, or whipping cream. It's a great option for home cooks who want a compact yet powerful device for everyday meal prep. What people say. The Nutribullet Go is a game changer for on-the-go blending. Its cordless design means I can make smoothies anywhere, from my desk to the gym. I love how powerful this little blender is. It easily crushes ice and frozen fruit, creating smooth and delicious drinks in seconds. The battery life is also impressive, lasting for several blends on a single charge. Number 2. KAWU Portable Blender. Experience exceptional blending with our powerful motor that reaches up to 19,990 revolutions per minute. It effortlessly pulverizes ingredients, ensuring your favorite smoothies and shakes are ready in a flash. Say goodbye to lengthy blending sessions and hello to fresh, delicious creations in no time. Powered by a stainless steel 6-leaf blade design, it ensures consistent and thorough blending. Whether you desire creamy smoothness or a perfectly powdery grind, this personal blender truly meets your every need for the kitchen or travel. Transform your healthy drinks with its 34.1-ounce cups featuring travel lids, designed for easy portability. It's perfect for taking your smoothies or protein shakes to the office, gym, or class. Just grab and go. Cleaning is a breeze with its smooth surfaces, making it easy to wipe clean after use. It's also USB Type-C rechargeable for your convenience. Some accessories are even dishwasher safe. Enjoy peace of mind with our leak-proof design and 24 monthly exchange and lifetime technical support. If you have any questions, we're here to help and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. For the best taste, add appropriate amounts of broken ice cubes, yogurt or milk, and your favorite fruits. Blend fibrous ingredients in small pieces for a smooth, delicate, and nutritious drink every time. What we like. If you're always on the go and want to enjoy fresh smoothies or shakes anywhere, this portable blender is your ideal companion. Its USB-C rechargeability means you can power it up easily, and the leak-proof design ensures no mess. Perfect for students, office workers, or anyone who prioritizes convenience and healthy drinks away from home. What people say. It's very convenient to use and carry around, perfect for making smoothies on the go. The battery life is surprisingly good. I can make several smoothies on a single charge. It's powerful enough to blend frozen fruits and ice smoothly, creating a great texture for drinks. Number 1. Portable Blender Cordless 24-ounce BPA-free. Enjoy your favorite flavors on the go. Whether you're at home, work, or the gym, you can blend and enjoy your creations anytime, anywhere. Every sip brings convenience and pleasure. Experience powerful blending with its 6-blade technology. It effortlessly crushes ice and frozen fruits, delivering silky smooth results comparable to larger blenders. Get the perfect smoothie every time. Stay powered up with its 6,000 mAh battery and USB-C charging. Easily recharge it using car chargers, power banks, or laptops, ensuring you can blend whenever needed. Cleaning is a breeze. Just add water and a cleaning agent, and its powerful blades will self-clean in just 30 seconds. Get ready for your next blend in no time. The 24-ounce vessel offers ample space, and the lid features an easy pour spout and sip lid. Its ergonomic design and lifting handle make it comfortable and secure to carry. Crafted from BPA-free materials, it prioritizes your health and safety. The strong sealing prevents leaks, making it the perfect travel companion for all your adventures. What we like. For ultimate convenience and a truly effortless blending experience, this cordless blender stands out. Its self-cleaning feature saves you time and hassle, while the powerful blades ensure smooth results. If you value ease of use, portability, and minimal cleanup, this is the perfect blender for your busy lifestyle. What people say. It is very powerful and blends frozen fruit with ease. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several blends on a single charge. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.